Respiratory system passes air from nose, larynx, pharynx, trachea, and bronchi to the alveolus, where exchange of carbon dioxide and oxygen takes place. The nares are opening of the nose. The nasal cavity is lined with cilia, mucous membrane, and blood capillaries. The air is filtered by cilia, moistened by mucous membrane, and warmed by the blood. Air moves through the throat, common passage of wood, and moves into the pharynx. Air continues on to the pharynx. Epiglottis flap of the tissue of larynx closes the larynx when food passes through it to prevent food from entering into larynx. Larynx contains vocal cord. The trachea or windpipe connects it to bronchial tree. Cartilage ring of trachea from collapsing enters into the lung of expansion and contraction of lungs. Air-carrying bronchi divide into bronchioles. At the end of each bronchiole, alveolar sacs. The alveolar sacs surrounded by blood capillary and contain millions of alveolar cells for the gas exchange. Oxygenated air goes to the lungs via nose, pharynx, larynx, bronchi, and alveoli. By the process of diffusion, oxygen moves into the alveoli to the capillaries. Carbon dioxide moves from the capillary to alveoli and exhale. This process is called respiration or breathing. If you like the video, kindly hit the like button, share it with your friends, and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thank you.